What is velocity testing and how is it performed? Introduction. Velocity testing, also known as performance testing, is a type of testing that assesses the speed, responsiveness, and overall performance of a system or application under various conditions. It helps identify bottlenecks, assess scalability, and ensure that the system can handle the expected workload. Here's a guide on how to perform velocity testing along with some best practices. Steps to perform velocity testing. Define objectives. Clearly define the objectives and goals of the velocity testing. Understand the performance criteria and expectations. Identify key scenarios. Identify the critical use cases or scenarios that represent real-world user interactions with the system. Create test environment. Set up a test environment that closely resembles the production environment to ensure realistic results. Choose velocity testing tools. Select appropriate performance testing tools such as Apache JMeter, Gatling, or Locust based on your application's technology stack and testing requirements. Design test cases. Develop test cases that simulate realistic user behavior, including various user loads, transaction volumes, and different types of requests. Execute tests. Run tests with different configurations, including varying user loads, to simulate different levels of usage. Monitor system behavior and collect performance metrics. Analyze results. Analyze the test results to identify performance bottlenecks, response times, throughput, and resource utilization. Look for areas of improvement and potential issues. Tune and optimize. Address identified issues by optimizing code, database queries, and configurations. Rerun tests to validate improvements. Repeat testing. Perform iterative testing to ensure that changes and optimizations do not introduce new issues. Regularly revisit performance testing as the application evolves. Best practices for velocity testing. Realistic test scenarios. Design test scenarios that closely resemble real-world usage patterns. This includes a mix of different user actions and varying levels of concurrent users. Scalability testing. Assess the system's scalability by gradually increasing the user load to determine the breaking point and understand how the system scales. Test early and often. Integrate velocity testing into the development lifecycle. Perform testing early to catch and address performance issues in the early stages of development. Monitor resource usage. Monitor and analyze resource usage during tests. Identify CPU, memory, and network bottlenecks to optimize resource utilization. Automation. Automate the velocity testing process to ensure consistency and repeatability. Automated tests can be easily integrated into continuous integration/continuous deployment (CI/CD) pipelines. Include soak testing. Conduct soak testing to assess how the system performs under sustained load over an extended period. This helps uncover memory leaks and other issues that may only appear over time. Baseline performance. Establish baseline performance metrics for key transactions and functionalities. Use these baselines to measure improvements or detect regressions. User feedback simulation. Simulate user feedback mechanisms, such as form submissions or button clicks, to accurately replicate user interactions. Security considerations. Consider security aspects during performance testing, including how the system handles security-related transactions and potential vulnerabilities under load. Documentation. Document the test scenarios, methodologies, and results comprehensively. This documentation aids in understanding the test process and sharing findings with development and operations teams. Remember that velocity testing is an ongoing process, and performance should be continuously monitored and optimized throughout the application's lifecycle. Regularly review and update your performance testing strategy to address new features, changes, and evolving user demands. Show your support. If you like this video, please support my work by clicking the like button below and subscribing for more content. Engage and share your feedback. Share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, and feel free to share this with your friends and office colleagues. Learn, grow, and collaborate together. Let's embark on this learning journey together. Grow our skills, collaborate, and share our knowledge. Grab a pencil or computer and happy writing. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.